In this video, I'm going to break down the hidden reused content trap that many creators fall into without realizing it. And if you have an AI channel, faceless channel, motivational channel, or even a reaction channel, you need to pay attention to this video. Because in 2026, getting monetized is one thing, but staying monetized is another thing entirely. Now, let's break this down. First of all, let's clarify what reuse content actually is or what it means. A lot of creators do think that reuse content is only when you re-upload other people's content on your own channel. It goes way deeper because that aspect is only one side of the YouTube's reused content. When it comes to reused content, YouTube is also looking into originality of your video, the transformation, the creator value, the uniqueness of that video, and of course the repetitive patterns. They check whether your content or your videos looks mass produced. And this is where many AI channels are getting into big issues with monetization, because most times the issue is not the AI tools that you use to produce your videos. The issue is mainly when your channel starts to look very similar to hundreds of other channels in the same niche. And this is why I tell creators not to follow all those cash cow tutorials blindly, because many of those tutorials are teaching creators to build their channel exactly the same way, which means same structure, same pattern, same script pacing, same storytelling, same video ideas or titles, and this can easily become repetitive. And when this happens, your content stops feeling creator-led and becomes like a content factory. And this is exactly where the danger begins. Now let's talk about the hidden reuse content trap. And this is going into same script structure in every single video. And this one is huge, especially for AI and faceless channels, because many are unknowingly creating same script pattern without even realizing it. For example, same dramatic hook, same video flow, same ending, same emotional transition. So even when your video is about a different topic, it still feels the same. And remember, when you apply for monetization, we also have human reviewers, human beings that actually review your channel. And this is very easy for them to figure out if your channel falls under this category. And honestly, this is why adding your personal experience, your personal ideas, your personal perspective matters a lot, because that alone helps separate your content from falling under mass production. All right, because if you are sharing your personal experience or unique angle, it's very, very difficult for someone else out there to have the exact same script as you, unless that person maybe is copying your script, because those things helps separate your content from mass produced content. Now let's take a look at the second hidden reuse content trap. And this is going into robotic AI voiceovers. Now, let's make this clear. YouTube is not against the AI voiceovers, because I know some creators panic immediately AI is mentioned. The real issues usually comes when the AI voice sounds emotionless, robotic, generic, or identical to thousands of other channels. So this is where you can have a reused content wahala. And unfortunately, this is becoming more common now, because a lot of AI channels are using the exact same AI voiceovers with the same pacing and without adding any personality to the content. So instead of the content sounding human, it starts sounding robotic and machine generated, and that immediately reduces the originality of that content. Now, compare that to a creator who actually adds a human touch simply by adjusting the pacing, a creator who adds human connection, who shares personal experiences, who makes intentional editing, and of course adds emotions to their content. That already creates a completely different experience. And this is why adding human touch matters more than ever, because you don't want to sound generic and identical to thousands of other channels in your niche. Now, let's talk about the hidden trap number 3. And this is going into overusing of stock footage. And this one is very common in faceless and AI channels, especially in motivational channels. You start seeing the same man walking in the rain, the same cloud, the same woman getting up from the bed. You start seeing the same stock footage scenes. Now, the use of stock footage is not wrong and it's not directly the problem. But when your entire channel is built on commonly used stock footages without any special editing or transformation, without storytelling, the content can start feeling recycled very quickly, especially if the visuals don't directly connect to what you are actually saying in your videos. Meaning, if you are using stock footage for your videos, make sure that the stock footage follows the narration of what you are saying in your video. So this is why, as a creator, you need to stop thinking as long as you are the one that created the video, you are safe. Because, like I said earlier, we believe as long as you did not download another person's content and re-upload it on your own channel, you are safe for reuse content. Reuse content can also be triggered if you consistently use the same stock footage for your videos without adding any transformation, any editing, and it doesn't even align with the message you are passing in your video. This can quickly trigger reuse content, because if your channel starts to look recycled using the same stock footage on every second video and all that, that can pose a problem. Because transformation is not just about cutting clips together, it is also about creator value. Now, hidden reuse content trap number 4. And this is going into copying viral channels too closely. This is another major problem. A creator sees a successful AI channel, then they go ahead and copy their thumbnail, their title, their description, their editing style. They copy literally everything. And then suddenly you start seeing identical channel, identical videos across YouTube. And YouTube don't like this. And this is why some niches are starting to look saturated, because it's like everyone is doing the same thing. And when you copy other people's content style too closely, this can pose a problem for you when it's time for you to monetize. Now, the hidden reuse content trap number 5 is mass uploading of AI videos on your channels. And honestly, this is becoming a huge red flag at the moment, especially with AI and faceless channels. When creators start uploading 5 times a day, flooding their channels with shorts several times a day, with the same style, the same title, the same tone, your channel can start looking repetitive very quickly and also mass produced. Now, uploading frequently is not the problem, but when you upload so frequently and you say you are into AI content, faceless content, so a real creator knows how many hours they put into editing of one particular video. If you are really focused on bringing value, making sure that your editing, your human touch is present, your personality is present in your video, there is no way you will be able to generate 5 videos and upload 5 videos daily, followed with shorts and everything. So this is why it is very easy for YouTube to identify when a channel is falling under that mass production category, because let's be honest, you are only able to produce so many videos at a go when all you do is just click, download. You are not really sitting down to add your personality, do some editing, make sure that everything is aligning with the script, human emotion and everything. You are just cutting and joining, then clicking, downloading and uploading. This can pose a very big risk for your channel. And also you have to consider that reviewers, they are going to ask questions like, is this channel really creator led, which is going into, is this creator really taking time to create value, add their personality in their AI content, or is this just like a content machine, like an automated channel, which is everything in your channel from A to Z is generated with AI. And this is where creators sabotage themselves without even realizing, because they focus on quantity rather than quality. They completely forget about originality and creator identity. So this is where we have to take a pause and focus on quality rather than quantity. Now, let's quickly talk about how you can protect yourself, especially if you are running a faceless or AI channel. Learn to add more of you into your content. That can be your ideas, your personal experience, your storytelling, and your perspective. Then, learn to break repetitive patterns. Change your pacing sometimes, change your intro and outro sometimes, change your hook sometimes, change the structure of your video sometimes. Make your videos feel intentional and not automated. And then stop copying other channels blindly, especially tutorials that are showing you how to create a prayer channel, how to create a 30-minute prayer video, all this type of tutorial. You have to be careful how you apply it to your channel, because remember, if everyone is following the exact same tutorial, let's say 500 people saw that video and 200 people from that 500 people decide to follow exactly what that creator was teaching in that tutorial, what we are going to have at the end of the day is the same identical video flooding the whole of YouTube. And this can easily fall under that hidden reused content trap. And you want to avoid that at all costs. Then focus on value more than visuals. Don't just assemble clips. Don't focus too much on too many clips. Each video should create an experience, teach something, encourage someone, inspire someone through your videos. Connect emotionally. Tell stories. It can be personal stories or real life stories that you heard. Depending on the niche you are anyway, just add that human feel to your video. That is exactly what is going to make you stand out from other channels and help you escape the pit of mass-produced or low-effort content. And I strongly believe that YouTube is heading towards the direction where they are very strict now with content quality and originality. So if your goal is to monetize and stay monetized, focus on building a channel that actually feels authentic, valuable, and creator-led, not a content factory or content machine. So if you are new here, welcome. My name is Angela, the face behind this channel. I help small create, grow, and monetize fast the right way, helping them avoid mistakes I made personally on this channel. All right. If that sounds interesting to you, do well to hit the subscribe button, like, comment on this video. Let me know what your biggest challenge is right now, especially if you are running a faceless channel. Let's chat in the comments. Until next time, thank you for watching.